For example, this week I received $712, over $712, and a week before that almost 600. And you can see that for every single week of this month I've been able to get these stable affiliate commissions in hundreds of dollars. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can start making these same affiliate commissions every single week without actually having to have any experience in affiliate marketing, without investing a single dollar of your own money, or without showing your face anywhere on the internet. And I'm going to give you a secret marketing strategy that's used by big corporations that is going to guarantee that for the same amount of work, you're going to triple your chance of getting a sale. So make sure you follow this video through till the end, pay close attention to what I'm showing you, and you too can start making hundreds of dollars every single week on complete autopilot from affiliate marketing. So if you're looking forward to seeing this secret marketing strategy, make sure to smash that like button on this video, and also make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more money making content. So as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you will be notified immediately and you get to watch it right away. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is actually something we are going to sell. So for that, go to your favorite affiliate marketplace, but I highly recommend you use Digistore24 for this, because Digistore has all the right offers that I was able to use to make hundreds of dollars every single week. So just go to Digistore and sign up for your free account if you're new here. Otherwise, just log right into your account. Then just go straight to the affiliate marketplace, and what you want to do actually is go to the search bar right here and type in keto. You want to look for keto related product, and as you can see, this one right at the top is going to pay you $24 for every sale you make with it, because this is obviously a good product. It's on the top of the list for quite some time and it's converting very well. But what you want to do to increase your chance of making a sale is give your potential customers a choice, because if their choice is only if they want to buy some specific product or not, most of them are going to decide not to buy it. But if you give them a chance to choose from multiple products, that actually shifts their way of thinking from do I want this product or not into which of these products I'm going to buy. So that way, if you give them a multiple choice of products they can choose from, they are that much more likely to make a sale. Now just go ahead and sell a bunch of these keto products that you would like to promote. I recommend going with 3. You may want to use more, but I wouldn't recommend going for less than 3, because that's the starting base for requirement for multiple choices. Once you have your 3 products chosen, what you want to do is get their affiliate links and save them somewhere. You don't need to even shorten them, just get your 3 affiliate links, or just leave this site open and you can return to it later. But now for the next step, just head over to ChatGPT, and what you want to do here is actually ask it to write you a simple HTML code that will create a quiz. This will be a keto themed quiz, and after answering 4 questions, people will be directed to 3 different sites depending on the answers. So just hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing, and in meanwhile I'm going to tell you why we are going to create this quiz. The reason why we are going to create a simple quiz is because it's going to give people a sense that they need to qualify to be able to even access the products. So once they will answer the quiz, they will be directed to either of the 3 sales pages of the products that you have chosen on Digistore, and when they actually get to the sales page, they will already be predisposed to make a purchase, because they will feel like they have been chosen to visit the sales page and be given a chance to buy the product. Now once ChatGPT is done creating the simple HTML quiz, what you want to do is go up here and click on copy this code. You want to copy this code because we are going to be doing some adjustments to it. Then you want to just paste it into the notepad, and we want to scroll all the way down to this section right here. You can see in this part, ChatGPT has created 3 dummy pages that after answering the quiz, people will be directed to either one of these 3. What you want to do here is just simply swap these pages for your affiliate links from Digistore24. So just go back to Digistore, get your affiliate links for the products that you have chosen, edit it into the notepad. So for example, page number 1 will be this affiliate link right here. I'm going to paste it. Then I'm going to go to the second product, copy the affiliate link again, go to the notepad, change this site for second affiliate link, and also do that for the third one as well. For the third one, I'm going to promote this product just for the demonstration purposes. So just get that affiliate link as well and exchange it in the notepad for this third part. Then once you get your 3 affiliate links into this code, this is all you need to do to it, and now you need to embed it into a website that you can drive traffic to. Now if you have your own website or your own blog, just go ahead and embed this code into one of your pages. Otherwise, just I'm going to show you how to do this simply by creating a simple landing page on Google Sites. So just go to Google Sites, click on create a blank page. Then what you want to do here is just click on embed, and you want to embed code, paste the code right here and click on next, and it's going to create this quiz on your Google site. Now what you want to do is just customize this page so it's going to look more like a keto related product page, okay? Because right now this doesn't look very enticing, does it? What you want to do is actually put a bunch of keto related pictures all over this site. So I'm just going to move this quiz right in the middle, then just go to Google and search for keto diet. Okay, hit enter, go to images, and you want to download a bunch of pictures that have something to do with keto diet. For example, this one looks good, then let's just grab this one as well, and let's get one more to serve as a background. For example, this one looks very nice, so just go ahead and download this one as well. Then just go back to Google Sites and start uploading these images you have downloaded. So just click on upload, then just choose the image you have downloaded, and let's do the same for this background behind the quiz as well. Just click on this palette right here, and what you want to do is go to image and upload and do the same. Actually, that's not a very good idea because now you can't see the quiz, so just go ahead and change it back to style A, something like this. Just upload the image simply by going to images and upload and place it to the side of this quiz, something like this. Then just go ahead and upload it once more for the other side, so it looks something like this. And also up here for the title, because I've got the keto diet written in the image behind, I'm just going to change the title to quiz, make it bold, change the color to, for example, let's go with red. Okay, that should be right. Then I'm just going to reposition it, and so the finished Google site should look something like this, with this keto representing images all over and this keto quiz that is loaded with our affiliate links right in the middle. Now just go ahead and simply publish this site, choose a name for it, for example, keto quiz 3 ways. Okay, then just click on publish, and all you need to do now is just start driving traffic to this simple landing page we have created on Google Sites. And actually, to get the most amount of qualified traffic, I'm going to show you 2 traffic sources that you can use completely for free to get the most amount of relevant clicks to this site, so you can make the most amount of sales. So what you want to do first is just simply go to Canva, and you want to search for a Pinterest pin. Simply look for Pinterest pin and choose some of these pre-made templates that has something to do with diet, or preferably keto diet. For example, this one looks like a good poster for a keto diet, so I'm just going to select this one. I'm going to customize it. All you need to do in this one is just change this text a little bit. For example, let's change it to keto diet quiz or something like that, and this subtitle I'm going to change to try this quiz to see if it's for you. This is pretty much all you need to do on Canva. Just go ahead and download this to your computer as in PNG. Just click on download, then just go to Pinterest, then click on create a new pin. Just simply upload the image from Canva right here, then just go to title and type in something that has to do with keto diet. For example, let's go with see if keto diet is the right choice for you! Exclamation mark. Then what you want to do in this description, you want to paste the Google site that you have created with this simple quiz. So just go ahead and copy the link to this site. Go back to Pinterest, and you want to write something around the link. For example, something like, check out this simple quiz to see if keto diet is the right choice for you to lose weight. Now into this destination link field, just paste the link to your Google site, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Then just go ahead and publish this pin, and simply as that, the link will be out there, drawing the attention of people interested in losing weight via keto. Actually, what I recommend is go ahead and create a bunch of these pins, because the more pins there are out there, the better the chance of people coming to your site. Now for the second traffic source, what I highly recommend is going to Facebook and searching for keto diet groups. If you check out these keto diet groups, for example, this one has over 119,000 followers. There's this other one with almost 200,000 followers, one with 114,000, and so on and so on. So this is a huge topic on Facebook as well. What you want to do is just simply go to one of these Facebook groups regarding keto diet, and you want to construct a simple post. You really don't want to just spam the link to your Google site in these groups, because you might get banned. What you want to actually do is just write a simple post that's going to sound something like this. Hey, I have never believed in keto diet to be an effective method to lose weight, but after trying it for a couple of weeks now, I have lost 5 pounds and I'm feeling great. If you're hesitant about trying keto, maybe this quiz will help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Now just go ahead and paste your Google site right here. It's not going to look as spammy as if you were to only post the link itself with the simple text that I'm going to zoom right now so you can post this video and copy it. Otherwise, just go ahead and create some simple post of your own. What you want to do is just share this post in many of these Facebook groups as you want. And you can do this for different niches as well. It doesn't have to be keto, but keto diet is one of the best selling affiliate niches. So that's why I decided to do with this keto, and I had great results so far. But you can do this literally for any of these affiliate products on Digistore. You can go to any section, choose 3 affiliate products that you want to promote, and need this code created by ChatGPT for you completely for free. Just go ahead and swap these sites right here for your affiliate link. So it's going to direct people to the sales page through your affiliate link, and once they make a purchase, you're going to get paid. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how easy it is to be making hundreds of dollars every single week without any experience and without any investment at all. Now, if you enjoyed this method, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more money making content. Other than that, I just wish you have a fantastic day, and if you want to see another cool money making video, check out this one right here.